Marshmallow.
Yung ano yan, malalaki dapat yan.
Bro, see, marshmallow, Oreo, and then cookies. Yeah,
Brownies,
like pudding.
cookies, Oreo, marshmallow.
Or if, for example, Mr. Mutaib asks, at least we know because chef,
I will go later.
We're just
No
waiting
problem,
for-
I will keep again 1 pieces. And then I make
Portion.
decoration now. After
How to
that,
present.
send the decoration also.
if for example, Mr. Mutaib asks, bro, even without chef, at least we know how to, no, di ba chef? We know how to give to Mr.
Presentation.
Mutaib presentation. But the ingredients and everything, inshallah, this one in the future. But now, what he want us, how is the presentation? If Mr. Mutaib and
Only
is not there.
they need it, this one important, the presentation.
And if he, in-approve niya na yun, chef, o ano?
Ano to? Ito yung para dun sa apat.
Ah, okay.
Yung
Sa
dalawa.
menu natin, no?
Hmm.
Very nice, bro. See? It's
Bro,
like,
can you give it like in there?
eye-catching. Parang nakakaano to, ah. Nakakaano siya. Nakakatawag pansin. No? Ang ganda, no? Beautiful, no? In the eyes. Para tuloy yung ano. Stick. Di ba malaking costing yan?
Hindi. Magkano? Yung ano to, yung chocolate lang yan. Wala, di ko na nga dinagyan ng strawberry. Nakala yung strawberry na yun.
Ayan. Very nice. Wala, number 1. Hala, school this one you see Decreaser Next, Osing. Oh, may ice cream po. Pasilo
So he told you that he wondered if he wanted, he's going to make it one.
Sorry.
See how
And now it's two desserts, right?
No, that one pork. That one banana and then the, what this one? Banana and then banana
Okay.
banoffee and then
Banoffee.
cheesecake balls and then the Kinder. This one we will call signature man like that. Then this one only like this.
Banope already we have in the picture.
Customer there, eat our
How come? The cup only. See, with Ferrero.
Customer there is right. Yeah, sure, you will see.
Only the glass. Now you see where he used the cup, Too much cup he have there. For Banope before. And also, yung triples, kunapa triples, triples ba yun? Di ba may kunapa triples din tayo na wala pa?
Kunapa? Hindi, ano yun? Ano to? Kunapa.
For summer, it's good,
Kunapa
bro.
yung cheese, ano yung cheesecake yun? Yung cheesecake.
Kuhain sa ano.
You know, this one is good more than this. Right?
So, really. Any of those, it's good, bro.
That's it, only the presentation.
Yung presentation. Ito,
Sa labas, picture na.
Pero paano natin kaya sa ano, no? Marketing. Very nice. Come, guys. Amjad, come. Bashim. Take picture. This one, new dessert.
Bring ice.
That is why I usually call it.
Yeah. Can you take picture? Nice one. Please. After we will taste, all together.
Wait 1 hour, I will try for...
We have 4. By the way, Mr. Kashim, we have 4 dessert. To replace in some dessert not moving. Like, we will make like different every quarter. Like 3 months, every 3 months, we will change dessert. Little by little, not all. You see, we will remove the tiramisu and also the coco berry. Now we have new 4 dessert. Take picture, bro. The nice one.
Customer, how is, you know? So inside is banana, right?
Yeah, very nice.
So this one for me.
Really. I'll
Being
take
is food,
picture.
you know how you know we take video.
Yeah.